Hey guys, this is Nick from Rustic Deco Incorporated. Today I'm going to be showing you the features of our trolley table base. Located at each end of the table base is a crank wheel that can be used to adjust the uprights up and down. Located underneath each T are two small bolts used to attach this T to the upright during assembly. If these become loose during shipment, it could cause this to wobble. Simply use an Allen wrench to retighten these bolts to remove any movement between the T and the upright. Located on each upright is a locking bolt used to secure this. Once the table has been adjusted to your correct height, simply screw it all the way down and tighten it to prevent this upright from moving. As always, if you have any questions or concerns about your purchase, just give us a call at 865-357-3876 or shoot us an email at customer.care@rusticdeco.com.